Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and launching Setup Assistant. Make sure the iPhone is charged and on Wi-Fi because the process downloads settings and updates. Enter your Apple ID when prompted so services like iCloud and Find My can be enabled. If you have two-factor authentication, keep the other device handy to receive verification codes. Once done, choose whether to restore from iCloud, transfer directly from an old device, or set up as new. The next slide goes deep into restore and transfers. Now you'll execute the core transfer or configuration steps. Pick restore from iCloud for a cloud backup, or tap transfer directly from iPhone to move data device to device. If you choose set up as new, you'll manually install apps later. Sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud Sync, then configure Apple Pay, Siri, and screen time so their permissions match your preferences. Make sure to set Face ID and a passcode. These protect wallets and passwords, and they streamline authentication for apps. Finish by letting apps download and checking for any iOS updates in settings. Update to the latest build to resolve compatibility issues. Verify accounts in Mail, Messages, and Photos, and confirm wallet cards and health data restored correctly. Encrypted backups preserve sensitive items like passwords. If Setup Assistant stalls or fails, try a reboot and reconnect to Wi-Fi, or switch to a wired transfer using a lightning cable and computer. These steps fix most transfer or restore interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.